Time for another rip. Here we go. Upper Deck Allure 2024-2025 NHL cards. We're looking for the red rainbow autograph and or rookie cards. When they have rookie autograph cards. Oh, cool. Yeah, look at these. 4 of them. Pack number 2. New York Rangers. These are the base set ones. They look really nice. Dallas Stars. Jason Robertson, left wing. Whoa, look at this. Yo, Devin Toews, Colorado Avalanche. Wow, look at this one. So I like that it actually tells you in the back, this one is a red rainbow Devin Toews parallel. There we go. Nazem Kadri, Calgary Flames. And this one is a glitter bomb parallel Nazem Kadri. Anaheim Ducks, Leo Carlson,